Hi guys, welcome back to Chao. So many people have been asking me, how do we make the milk syrup? Milk syrup is just a word that I coined to use a combination of different types of milk. In the video that I showed you about how to make Thai milk tea, I used evaporated milk and condensed milk. So what we normally do, so that it is faster to prepare the drink, is to combine the evaporated milk and the condensed milk in advance. That's what I call milk syrup. So how do I make the milk syrup? So this is what we're going to do. I have here 2 cans of condensed milk. I'm going to put 1 can of evaporated milk. So this is condensed milk, this is evaporated milk. All we have to do is to put them together, mix them together. And stir them well. You may also use whole milk, but then evaporated milk actually gives you that creamier and it has a beautiful color, so your milk tea or coffee drinks will be creamier than if you use fresh milk. So it's your choice. You can do 1 can condensed milk to 1 can of evaporated milk, mix them together, and when you make your drinks, you add a little bit of sugar syrup to make it sweeter. Or you can make 2 cans of condensed milk and 1 can of evaporated milk, in which case you don't need to use sugar in your drinks. And what happens using this milk syrup? Your drinks will be creamier, tastier, and fuller. So that's how we do it at Chao. So next time I say milk syrup, that's really a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. Once you've made your milk syrup, you must keep it refrigerated. This is milk-based and there's a tendency that it will spoil if you keep it out of the refrigerator. You can keep it up to 7 days, but longer than that, I think you should get it changed. So remember, you can use any brand of condensed milk or evaporated milk, but look for one that comes out cream in color, not totally white. So there are many brands that are available in the market. You can select what works best for you and also the price point that you're looking for. So if you use a milk syrup, unlike creamer, you don't need to have your tea to be warm. So in this case, for instance, if I will make a milk tea at the moment, this tea has been refrigerated, it's now very cold, so if you use creamer, it won't dissolve the creamer in this tea. So you have to really use warm tea. But if you use milk syrup, which is liquid, all you have to do is to stir them together or shake them depending on how you'd like to make your milk tea. So stay tuned for more of these videos. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.